Choose corrosion-resistant materials and install with sealing best practices to ensure bathroom hardware stays moisture-resistant and long-lasting. Start by selecting materials rated for wet environments, such as marine-grade stainless steel or powder-coated metals, and verify the manufacturer explicitly states suitability for high-humidity areas. Match finishes across components to avoid galvanic corrosion caused by dissimilar metals touching, and when possible, use solid metal parts rather than plated bases that can flake over time. Apply thread sealant or plumber tape on threaded connections and use silicone caulk at all joints where metal meets tile or drywall to block moisture ingress. Allow full cure time before exposing to steam. Position fixtures to minimize direct spray when feasible and leave small gaps for air circulation behind cabinets and mirrors so trapped moisture can evaporate. Use replaceable trim and mounting plates that allow periodic inspection so you can remove and dry concealed areas without demolishing finishes. Finally, schedule simple maintenance such as wiping down after showers, checking caulk annually, and lubricating moving parts with corrosion-resistant lubricants to extend service life. Common mistakes include installing non-water-rated hardware that looks suitable but corrodes quickly, which you avoid by confirming wet area ratings and choosing marine-grade stainless or powder-coated options. Another frequent issue is neglecting proper sealing at penetrations where moisture wicks into substrate, so apply a continuous bead of high-quality silicone caulk and inspect for gaps after a few days. A third concern is mixing incompatible metals that lead to galvanic corrosion. Keep identical metals in contact or use insulating washers to separate them and prevent electrical conductivity between parts. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and resources related to moisture-resistant hardware and bathroom projects, and we connect contractors with homeowners seeking work. We also host a discussion community where we share experiences, ask questions, and learn practical installation and maintenance tips together.